Let's take a look at our first problem. It's an absolute value equation. Let's look at our formula first. Our absolute value equation. It says if you have the absolute value of something is equal to something else, then you drop the absolute value, set it equal to positive the other side, and drop the absolute value and set it equal to negative the other side. Now, the absolute value has to be completely by itself on the left side. Can't have any numbers in front of it, can't have any numbers after it. You just have to have the absolute value of something. It actually doesn't have to be on the left side, it could be on the right side, but you have to have the absolute value by itself. Well, let's look at this problem. Got the absolute value of 5x minus 2 is equal to 6. Well, the absolute value is by itself on the left side. There's no numbers in front of it, no numbers after it. So our formula says we drop the absolute value bars. We set it equal to positive the other side. We drop the absolute value bars and we set it equal to negative the other side. And at this point, these are linear equations, so we'll go through our steps for those. First step, get rid of parentheses. Second step, get rid of fractions. Don't have either one of those. Third step, get everything with a x on one side, numbers on the other side. So I take the negative 2 over there. And I'll take negative 2 over there. You take any number across your equals, your sign changes. So negative 2 becomes a positive 2. Same here. The negative 2 becomes a positive 2. Remember our note up at the top for linear equations is at any step add numbers. 6 plus 2 is 8. And over here, negative 6 plus 2 gives us negative 4. Then last step in linear equations is divide both sides by the number in front of your x, which is 5. I'm going to do that here. We get x is equal to 8/5. On this side, when we divide both sides by 5, those cancel, of course. We get x is equal to negative 4/5. So 8/5, negative 4/5. Looks like B is in Bill. Let me go double check that. I do have typos that I mistype stuff, and yep, that's right.